Want to take your drums to the next level? Ableton Live's Drum Buss is an all-in-one processing powerhouse designed to add punch, warmth, and cohesion to your drum tracks. With its analog-style processing, Drum Buss combines distortion, compression, transient shaping, and low-end enhancement into a single tool. Choose from 3 distortion modes, soft, medium, and hard, to add character and grit, and use the drive control to dial in just the right amount. Activate the comp toggle to apply a fixed compressor optimized for drum groups, giving your drums balance and glue. Shape the mid-high frequencies with crunch to add distortion and damp to smooth out any harshness. For added punch, the transients control lets you emphasize or tighten the attack, creating anything from a punchy, sustained sound to sharp, crisp hits. To fill out the low end, use the boom knob and tune the resonant filter with the frequency control. Adjust the decay to shape the length of the bass, and solo the low frequency enhancement with the boom audition feature for precise tweaking. Finally, balance your processed and dry signals with the dry-wet control and fine-tune the output with the gain slider. Whether you're working with live drums, electronic kits, or experimenting with non-drum sounds, Drum Buss is the ultimate tool for adding character and body to your tracks. Ready to transform your drum mix? Comment Ableton below, and we'll DM you free Ableton tools and resources to help you master this effect.